Want to preserve different views of your stories? Bookmarks let you save the current state, including filters, input controls, and prompts for future access to use when scheduling publications or to share with other users. In a story, for example, you might apply region filters that you want to preserve. When you bookmark the current state, you enter a name and select the default story page to open. You can also choose to make the bookmark your default view of the story and have the option to make the bookmark public, available to anyone with access to the story. Keep in mind that setting a bookmark as your default is a personal setting and doesn't affect the default for other users. You need edit permissions for the story to create public bookmarks. There is also an option to keep the last saved values for dynamic variables, which is enabled by default. When you make additional changes, you can save them as different bookmarks. For example, you can bookmark a view that includes only cola products. You can switch between the available bookmarks using the Bookmarks menu, including reverting to the original state of the story. From here, you can also edit or delete existing public bookmarks based on your permissions, or share personal bookmarks with other users. When you share a bookmark, recipients can access it from their notifications or by opening the story and loading it. Keep in mind that if you want to make a public bookmark the default story view for other users, you need permission to share the story from edit mode. From here, you can enable the option to share the story using a global bookmark default and then choose the public bookmark to apply. Personal bookmarks are not supported as the default view for other users. For stories that use advanced features, you can create bookmarks based on the story features that have been enabled for bookmarking. You can enable bookmarks from the Global Settings area on the Outline panel. Here you assign the bookmark technical object a version number, which can be reused in scripting. Keep in mind that if you change the version number, any bookmarks created based on the previous version become invalid. You can choose whether bookmarks include state-changed components only, all components, whether or not they've been changed from the default settings, or selected components. You need to save the story to apply your changes. Now viewers can make changes and create bookmarks based on advanced features in the story. You can see the full list of bookmarks available to you on the Bookmarks tab in the Stories area. From here, you can open, edit, share, or delete global and personal bookmarks based on your permissions. For more information on how to use bookmarks in stories, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.